Math problems solutions of standard 4. Question number 1. Convert 5 meters to centimeters. Answer. Since 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 5 meter is 5 into 100 centimeter, 500 centimeters. Question number 2. A hiking trail is 2 kilometers long. How many meters is that? Answer. Since 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, 2 kilometer is 2 into 1000 meter, 2000 meters. Question number 3. If a piece of ribbon is 3 feet long, how many inches is it? Answer. Since 1 foot is 12 inches, 3 feet is 3 into 12 inches, 36 inches. Question number 4. Which unit would you use to measure the length of your pencil? Millimeters, centimeters, or meters? Answer. Centimeters. Question number 4b. Is the height of a flagpole close to 5 meters or 5 centimeters? Answer. 5 meters. Question number 5. A bag of apples weighs 2 kilograms. How many grams is that? Answer. Since 1 kilogram is 1000 gram, 2 kilograms is 2 into 1000 gram, 2000 grams. Question number 6. Convert 4 pounds to ounces. Answer. Since 1 pound is 16 ounce, 4 pound is 4 into 16 ounce, 64 ounces. Question number 7. Sarah's cat weighs 3500 grams and her dog weighs 7 kilograms. What is the total weight of both pets in grams? Answer. First, convert the dog's weight to grams. 7 kilogram is 7 into 1000 gram, 7000 grams. Total weight 3500 grams plus 7000 grams, 10500 grams. Question number 8. Which unit is more appropriate for measuring the mass of a large truck, grams or kilograms? Answer. Kilograms. Question number 9. A recipe calls for 4 cups of milk. How many pints is that? Answer. Since 2 cups is 1 pint, 4 cups divided by 2 is 2 pints. Answer. Question number 10. A small water bottle holds 500 milliliter of water. A large jug holds 2 liters. How many small water bottles are needed to fill the large jug? Answer. First, convert the jug's capacity to milliliters. 2 liter is 2000 milliliters. Number of bottles 2000 milliliter divided by 500 milliliters is 4 bottles. Question number 11. Would a bathtub hold 20 liters or 200 liters of water? Answer. 200 liters. Question number 12. How many minutes are in 3 hours? Answer. Since 1 hour is 60 minutes, 3 hours is 3 into 60 minutes, 180 minutes. Question number 13. How many seconds are in 1 minute and 15 seconds? Answer. Since 1 minute is 60 seconds, 60 seconds plus 15 seconds, 75 seconds. Answer. Question number 14. A bus left the station at 8:15 a.m. and arrived at its destination at 10:45 a.m. How long was the bus ride? Answer. From 8:15 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. is 2 hours. From 10:15 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. is 30 minutes. Total time 2 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you.